give me a thumbs down because I don't show you a Mustang. I'm doing the best I can. I'm searching, and we'll see what happens. And it's a good test of my mic, so hopefully it's working well. There is a historic. Wow, look at that glass. Ford Deluxe. What year is it, sir?
40.
40? 1944 Deluxe. Are you selling this car?
Yes, I am.
How much are you selling it for?
19.5.
19.5?
Third offer.
You want 13,000 people to have your phone number and possibly call you on this car, or you want to stay incognito? Most people in New Jersey don't want to be on video and finding out. Are you willing to be on video and tell them your contact information or no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. So tell us a little about your car. Fits in there. Now, this is a show called MustangMedic. We have 13,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's car enthusiasts. It'd be better, of course, if you had a fastback Mustang, but there's going to be somebody watching that's going to love your car. So, you want to tell them about it a little bit?
1940 Ford Upper Coupe. It's a barn find. There's no motor and trans, so it's hot rod ready. Basically, it's a real solid car, no rust. Can't really tell you much more. Basically stock.
Okay. And you're out here in South Jersey?
I'm in South Jersey at
Okay.
the
And your name and number?
John Gatier.
John Gatier?
Yep. 610
610
209
209
1547.
47. I'm repeating what John said because it's possible this microphone is only picking me up. But you got the important information. It's a 1940 barn find, no engine, no trans, ready for a hot rod.
We'll deliver within 100 miles.
Oh, and it'll deliver within 100 miles. And where is your, what zip code?
19335.
19335, guys. Ford Deluxe. See, I'm still showing you cars. I'm here late, but I'm showing you some beauties. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
All right. It's going by right now, but look at that. I know somebody right now is freaking out going, I want that car. Sorry for the clanging. That's my license plate that I just purchased. There you go. Ford Deluxe. Nice.